When you need to automate your box forming process, you have two options in front of you: a dedicated box forming machine or a Cobot system. In this video, I will show you exactly how these two options differ and which one fits your production line. I'm the digital avatar of Jacky Lim. He is a professional engineer and has been in the industry for over 20 years. While Jacky is busy working on the ground, he created me to deliver the practical guidance he experienced himself. Both systems do the same job. They take a flat cardboard sheet and form it into an open box shape, fold the bottom flaps and tape the base so the box is ready for loading. This process is called box erection. If your workers are doing this by hand today, either system will replace that manual work. The question is, which one fits the way your production line actually runs? This is the box forming machine. An operator feeds flat cardboard sheets into the machine one by one. The machine folds the box automatically and moves it forward for the next step. No robot arm, no custom gripper, no programming required. Machines in this category handle box lengths from 145 millimeters up to 650 millimeters. Production speed runs from 5 boxes per minute for larger boxes up to 30 boxes per minute for smaller ones. After the box is formed, the machine folds the bottom flaps and tapes the base in one continuous motion. The finished box comes out ready for product loading. The power requirement is around 2 to 2.5 kilowatts on standard 220 volt single phase power. The footprint is compact enough to fit into most existing production floor layouts without major changes. Here is where the machine has a slight disadvantage. When you switch to a different box size, you need to adjust the machine settings manually. On a basic manual adjustment model, this takes time and depends on the operator setting it correctly every time. Human error during changeover is a real risk. A servo motor version reduces that risk and shortens the changeover time, but it costs more. If you run a single box size all day, this limitation does not affect you. But if you switch between different box sizes on the same line, this changeover becomes a bottleneck you need to plan around. The footage you see here is from Landtech, a specialist box forming machine manufacturer. Their servo-driven model shows how fast a well-engineered changeover can be. I'm showing this as a reference point. The changeover speed you get depends entirely on the machine model you choose. Not all machines perform the same way on this. Now look at the Cobot system. This is a fully custom-built solution by Mobile Automation from Australia. A Cobot arm with a custom gripper picks up a flat box from a mechanical feeder. It slides the carton into a folding mechanism that forms the bottom flaps. The base is taped, then the Cobot places the finished box onto a conveyor for the next process. Unlike the machine, there is no single standard model you can order off the shelf. Every Cobot box forming system is engineered and built for the specific application. The gripper design, the folding mechanism, and the taping unit are all custom components. This is important to understand before you evaluate the cost. Here is where the Cobot approach offers something the machine cannot. This configuration has multiple flat box feeders, each loaded with a different box size. The Cobot switches between them without stopping for manual adjustment. As long as the box dimension differences are not too large, one Cobot system handles multiple sizes in the same shift. For a production line that runs many different box sizes without stopping, this is a meaningful operational advantage. No changeover time, no operator intervention when switching between sizes. This solution is built by Onyxia Inc. from United States. Let me put the key differences side by side. On speed, the machine runs at 5 to 30 boxes per minute depending on box size. The Cobot is slower. From the video, the Cobot runs at 3 boxes per minute. It is not designed to compete with the machine on cycle speed. On investment cost, a basic box forming machine starts at around USD 10,000. A basic Cobot box forming system starts at around USD 50,000 and increases further as you add more feeders and features. On SKU flexibility, the machine requires manual adjustment when you change box size. The Cobot handles multiple sizes without stopping. These three differences determine which system fits your operation. So which one should you use? Use the machine if your line runs 1 or 2 box sizes at high volume every day. A food and beverage manufacturer packing the same product in the same box size all shift long is the natural fit for the machine. High speed, lower investment, straightforward operation. Use the Cobot if your line handles many different box sizes in one shift, and stopping to adjust the machine would reduce your total output. An e-commerce fulfillment operation, packing different products into different box sizes throughout the day, is the natural fit for the Cobot, provided the slower cycle speed is acceptable for your daily volume target. If you need machine level speed across many box sizes simultaneously, neither option fully solves that requirement, and you need to look at a higher specification automated system. Jacky reads every single comment. If you are currently forming boxes by hand and want to know which system fits your line, tell me how many box sizes you run in a single shift and what your daily volume target is. I will give you a straight answer in the comments. You can also find my contact details in the channel profile if you prefer to reach me directly. See you in the next video. If you found this video useful, support my work by hit the subscribe button and turn on notifications. Your support helps me keep going.